Alright, I'm gonna try to make this quick. Hey, welcome back to English with Venya, channel where we level up and never look back. And today I want to talk to you about gerunds. This topic tends to be a sore one for many learners, and my goal today is to break it down in a way that's easy so that you don't feel nervous or overwhelmed when you try to figure it out. So, gerund. We need to answer two questions about it. Number one, what and why, right? To fully understand what gerunds are. Number one, what? What is a gerund, right? Well, basically, what it looks like is a verb with, your favorite ing added to it, right? So, do, doing, make, making. That's easy, you know that part. However, the INGs that you are used to are the ones that come pre-installed with certain tenses, right? Like present progressive. I am walking to school. That's the action part of this particular tense, and it comes with it already, right? It's like a car. When you buy a car, it already comes with wheels and the steering wheel and, whatever. So you already got it in your tense bundles when you learn those. However, gerunds have nothing to do with that. That's a different type of ing. And that's why this thing right here has a name, gerunds, right? So here's the thing. It looks like a verb with, just a regular plain ing added. Now, the next question helps us understand what they are even further, and the question is why, right? We already answered the what question and now the why question. So why do we need that? That's very simple. Many times when we speak, every time we speak, we use different parts of speech like nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, pronouns, whatever. We need those because they sort of come together. We learn our vocabulary, we learn those parts of speech, and then we use grammar that we learn to put it all together like glue. And those different parts of speech have different roles and different jobs to do within a sentence. For example, a noun talks about things, objects, people, whatever. Verbs talk about actions. Pronouns, they replace nouns when we need them to, while adjectives describe those nouns and adverbs describe the verbs, the action, how the action is done. So we need those. Those are different colors of our sentence, right? They do different jobs, and we need those jobs. So sometimes we need to change parts of speech. We need to take, we need to take a noun and turn it into a verb. This is super advanced. Maybe I shouldn't go into this, but just know that it exists. So basically, gerunds are verbs that we turn into nouns. So basically, when you add ing to a verb outside of the context of your tenses that you learn that use ing, you turn this verb into a noun. For example, to swim, that's a verb. However, how can you say blank is fun? To swim is fun sounds a little awkward. What do you need in this case, right? Blank is fun. You clearly need a noun. So what you're going to do, you're going to take that verb stem, right? Swim, and you're going to add ing to it, in the way that you're supposed to. Swimming, that's a noun now. Congratulations, you converted it. Swimming is fun. Or even a simple I like blank. I like what? I like what? So you need a noun there. I like swimming. Now this is simple stuff. Now let me give you a more complex example. So you and I are doing something. Maybe we're doing the same activity. I'm doing it my way, and you're doing it your way. You have, your own specific way to do it. So do I. Now I look at you, and your way is better. because it's faster. We spent the same amount of time doing this thing, but you are further along. You're doing it quicker. So I can say, wow, doing it your way is better. Doing it your way. In this case, this whole chunk right here kind of dances around the gerund here, doing, and it creates a big monster gerund, kind of, right? And that the whole thing right here, not technically, and many English teachers are gonna scream at me right now through the screen and curse me out. But I just want to make it, I don't want to make it academic, I want to make it easy, right? So this whole thing basically is a gerund. The whole thing is basically a noun. Doing it your way is better. So when you get comfortable and you learn about this stuff, you actually realize how much power you have as a speaker of English, right? Or, you know, English learner. It doesn't matter. You speak it, so you are a speaker of English. And you can bend and manipulate parts of speech the way you want. And understanding gerunds is just the beginning. And I just used it again. Understanding gerunds is just the beginning. And it opens so many doors into the creative part of speaking English, where you can take a random noun and turn it into a verb too. That's crazy. Look at how he Spider-Man'd over the wall, right? It makes sense. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You don't need to see it to understand what it looks like, because I took this noun and I used it as a verb. And maybe it won't work on your traditional tests or exams. It will definitely work very well in real life when you're trying to communicate. But that's later. For now, just focus on gerunds and really pay attention to them. Discover them and find them in things that you read or listen, and use them intentionally. And now you understand how fun it is to speak English. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a quick thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. All right, thank you guys so much. I have another cool video for you to watch right here. So click right here and watch it, because it's great. I'll see you guys later. Peace.